welcome back to the channel. My name is Elle. For today's snack or recipe, I would like to cook Ginataang Bilobilo. We call it Ginataang Bilobilo because I have leftover sweet potato, jackfruit, frozen, 2 pieces of Taro, or we call it gabi. Yes. Of course, glutinous rice, 1/2 cup of glutinous rice, 1/4 cup of water, 3/4 cups of sugar, and also a can of coconut milk. And I also would like to use my old banana. This is not a cooking banana, but yeah, I would like to add this because it's already ripe. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you once again for visiting me here in my kitchen. And yeah, so let's start cooking. So these are the ingredients again for Ginataang Bilobilo: 1 can of coconut milk, 1/2 cup of glutinous rice. That is, so I have to do that as Bilobilo. The glutinous rice, piece of sweet potato, taro or gabi, jackfruit, and a normal banana. Sugar, 1/4 cup of water. This I have to mix with glutinous rice, yeah, and a kind of coconut milk. So yeah, let's start cooking. Very beautiful color, purple yellow. Yeah, we call purple yellow. So we just have to cut the ubi, the sweet potato. And I'm cooking water now. So I like this size, a bit size. So I first boil the water. And with that, I will add the sweet potato first, because it takes time to cook. Like that. Yeah. And I'm cooking now the jackfruit. Love the smell of jackfruit. That's such a good aroma. And I also would like to add it and cook it longer. Okay. So, okay, the water is boiling, so we're going to add now sorry. There for a while. Okay, and then I'm going to add now the gabi or taro, because this is gabi or taro. I don't know how you call it in another language. In German, I don't know. It has to cook longer also. Taro or gabi produces a lot of starch. That's why it's sticky. That would make the soup sticky. Okay, and the banana. It's not a cooking banana, but even though I like to use my normal banana, and I will put it as the last fruit. The jackfruit, I will put it. I will first cook this for around 20 minutes. While it's still cooking, I will do the bilobilo. 1/2 cup of glutinous rice and 1/4 cup of water. So now I will do the bilobilo. I just have to put a little bit of flour to my hand to make it the round bilo. And yeah, you just have to do it like this. So you have a bilobilo. Okay, so I have done the bilobilo. So I will first add the jackfruit. Yeah, it also has to cook longer so it will produce more aroma. Okay. Oops, there's still some. I remember before in the Philippines, when there's fiesta or house blessing, there's always bilobilo as merienda or snack. And yeah, and it takes like the whole day to to cook, because they're cooking in like a really big pot for the whole village. And yeah, but here it's just a little bit of everything. So at least I will able to try again the bilobilo. Maybe not really that Philippine style, because here we don't. We can also buy a cooking banana for cooking, but I'm just gonna find the right one last time. And also fresh jackfruit, or what else? Yeah, of course we have canned coconut milk. Would be good if there's a real fresh coconut. The kakang, we call it the kakang geta, the first geta, which is so creamy. This is also creamy. It's written here creamish. So yeah, let's see. Okay. Now I will add the bilobilo. Actually, it's just a glutinous rice, so it's cooked very fast. Actually, doesn't take too much time. Normally, you should also add tapioca or sago, but I don't know why I couldn't find sago tapioca, so there's no sago. incomplete bilobilo, even though still a bilobilo. Okay, so it looks like that now, and I will add now the sugar. Normally it's good to have the brown sugar, but I don't have, so we just use the white sugar. And then also I would like to add now the coconut milk, creamy coconut milk. To cook for another 20 minutes, simmer for around 20 minutes in a low heat, and then we'll try it later. Okay, I will add the banana now. Smells of jackfruit. It's so good, so sweet. And also you could I don't know how sweet you want to have your ginataan, but some use only like 1/2 cup of sugar, but I like it. I like it sweet. It's so good. Okay, so that is our Ginataang Bilobilo, and yeah, we're going to try it. It is so good in autumn time here in Germany, so it's just nice to eat warm or hot soup Ginataang. I use violet sweet potato. That is why the color is beautiful, very pretty violet color. So good. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and guten appetit. Please do the like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you again next time. Let's try. Okay, let's try. It smells so good. It's the jackfruit. I miss at home. This is the right snack for this season. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye for now. Love, elle.